My dear sisters and brothers, the Novena of Grace is going to begin on the 4th of March till the 12th of March. The Mass schedule is like this. We have 3 Masses in the mornings and 1 in the evening on normal days, 6, 7, 8 and 4:30. The 6 o'clock Mass is always in English. 7, 8 and 4:30 will be in Konkani. On the 6th, which is the day on which we have a Mass at the chapel of St. Francis Xavier, where there's a well, it is in the vicinity of the old St. Paul's College. Mass will be at 10 o'clock. So on Saturday, 6, 7, 8, 10 o'clock and 4:30 will be the Masses. On Sunday, we have Masses as follows: 6, 7, 8, 9:15, 10:15, 4:30. The 6 o'clock and 10:15 Mass will be in English. On the last day, we have no special Mass. All Masses will be special: 6, 7, 8 and 4:30. There's going to be no High Mass, therefore there will not be the usual pilgrimage to the Rosary Church. And there will be no kanji given either. This is because of the MHA guidelines. On Tuesdays and Fridays, we have the Way of the Cross. On Tuesdays it will be in English, and on Fridays it will be in Konkani. Daily we have at 5 o'clock in the morning an adoration. Together, not only we at the Basilica, but the whole world over, there are so many people participating in praying for themselves and for the others. And truly, this is a great devotion. There's a lot of sacrifice involved in it. But through the day, people come in and participate in it. I would like to thank all of you for taking heed to what we have said and participating in the Novena of Grace. Thank you very much.